This world is amazing. A person can have a dream, a curiosity, or a simple longing to see something new. And with the help of millions of people all working together, consciously or not, that dream can become a reality. It begins with a search. What destinations are far enough from home to promise adventure, yet similar enough to feel accessible and safe? Where can you explore on a budget? A quick online search reveals the possibilities. Best Budget Destinations 2024. Mexico, a vibrant country brimming with culture, history, and warmth. A new direct flight from Vancouver to Guadalajara with Flair Airlines, just $200? Well, $700 with fees, but still a good deal. From there, domestic flights with Viva Airlines to Mexico City, Oaxaca, and the South Coast, all for about $300. Accommodation? Airbnb. It's incredible how technology connects people with places to stay, how you can browse photos of cozy apartments or charming rooms with just a few clicks. The world of travel has changed. Finding a home away from home has never been easier. Transportation? Uber. A few taps on your phone and within minutes, someone arrives to take you where you need to go. A local, making a living, helping you navigate their city. Payment happens seamlessly, no cash exchanged. Just a muchas gracias and a smile. For longer journeys, public buses, and in the small towns, colectivos that seem to always be there when you need them. The precision, the simplicity, the interconnectedness of it all. It's amazing. Navigation? Google Maps. How did we ever manage without it? Save every place you want to visit, create lists for each city, and explore with confidence. Every street, every corner, every hidden path is at your fingertips. And food? Google Maps is your guide. A quick search, filtering for 5 stars and $1 or $2 signs, leads you to the best street tacos, the coziest cafes, the hidden gems that only locals know about. Attractions? ChatGPT at your service. Ready to craft a perfect itinerary. Want to know the top 10 museums and art galleries in Mexico City? Done. Looking for street parades in Oaxaca? Easy. Need a brief history of Teotihuacan or translation of a restaurant menu? Consider it done. Every curiosity, every desire for knowledge, satisfied in seconds. Exploration? Guru Walks offers walking tours by donation in every city. Local guides share stories that breathe life into architecture, the art, and the history you're witnessing. Everything becomes more meaningful. Communication? Signal and WhatsApp keep you connected to loved ones back home. Free calls, video chats, and messages that transcend borders. Distance feels irrelevant. Staying connected? A Telcel SIM card keeps you online without breaking the bank, making every moment shareable and every connection instant. Language? Duolingo is your pocket-sized tutor, guiding you through the basics, helping you connect with locals in their language. Every word, every phrase brings you closer to the culture you're immersed in. Technology and humanity working in harmony. It's extraordinary. Every piece of the puzzle, from the ancient past to the cutting-edge present, is interwoven, creating a world of endless possibilities. History is astonishing. Beneath modern cities lie ancient ruins, civilizations that lived, loved, and built systems of incredible complexity. We walk in their footsteps, marveling at what they left behind, rituals, art, architecture that we're still trying to understand. Art is everywhere, in every city, on every street. The human spirit shines through murals, sculptures, crafts, and architecture. Creativity that transcends time, expressing our shared humanity. Nature, it's awe-inspiring. Century-old trees that stand as silent witness to the passage of time. Oceans that sing their eternal song of waves against the shore. Vistas that delight the seeker. But above all, it's the people who captivate us. The smiles that greet you, the friend you meet along the way. The warmth of a stranger's kindness, the joy of shared laughter. Everywhere you go, people are living their lives, cherishing their families, building their communities, contributing to the collective experience. Seeing and experiencing this, witnessing the beauty of humanity, is the true treasure of travel.